Thanks for purchasing the 10 million visitors gold package. I'm going to quickly walk you through the ad submission process so that you're familiar with it and you know some of the advanced options that we have available. So you're going to start by clicking the click here to enter your ad details link that you'll see on this page. And it's going to take you to this page here that asks you to enter your link information below. So the first thing that they're asking you for is, that we're asking you for here, is your link URL. So this is the website that I want people to go to when they click on my banner. So I'll just put in here one of my websites, dpassport.com. And then it's asking for a banner URL. Now, you host this banner on your server. So if you know how to FTP or you know how to use S3, upload your banner to Amazon S3 and put in the CloudFront URL or the URL to your banner. If you don't know how this works, I'm going to show you a really basic way to upload your banner to your own website so that you can give us a URL for your banner. So this is a WordPress dashboard. You know, if you have any website running at all, you're probably running WordPress somewhere. So log into your WordPress dashboard on any one of your websites and click on Media over on the left-hand side. And then click Add New. And then you're going to choose a file. I've already got my 120 by 60 banner ready to go here, so I'm going to click OK. Upload. So that's going to upload the banner for me. And if I click on Edit, it's going to take me to the file URL here. So I'm just going to copy this, and I can paste that in here. And then the last thing it's asking me for is an iframe URL. So this is the little window that pops up over top of the banner when someone mouses over it. Now I can point it to any page on my server that might have a call to action or whatever that might be, or I can point it to a YouTube video. So I'm going to show you how that works. I've got a YouTube video here from my website dPassport, and if you click on the share button here and you click on embed, you'll get this little iframe window down here, and you'll want to make sure to check on custom size because our iframe window is only 300 pixels wide. So you're going to want to make sure to type in the number 300 here and let whatever shows up below show up below. That number can't be above 250 though, but most videos are going to be fine that way. Copy this code out. So you're just going to copy that out, and then paste it into some type of notepad window, any type of text editor, just basic text editor. And I want you to remove everything that you see me removing, basically everything but the URL. And if you want your YouTube video to autoplay when someone overlays, you're going to want to add here the ampersand symbol, and then autoplay equals, and then the number 1. Okay, so I'm just going to copy that. This is my YouTube URL, exactly as you see it here, and yours should look very similar. Obviously, this code here will change. So I'm going to copy this, and we're going to paste it in here. So this is essentially everything you need to know, everything you need to give to us for us to host your banner. Now, if you want to get a little bit more advanced, there's a couple of options for you. You can essentially take any of these 3 URLs and pass them through what we call a shortening service. So something like bitly.com or your own LinkCloak service or your own URL shortener service. I use a free one called urls.org. But essentially you can paste a link into Bitly and they'll give you what we call a shortened URL. So you can give us this URL instead. It's the same. Essentially, if I click on, whether I click on this dpassport.com or I click on this new URL here, I'm going to wind up on dpassport.com. But by giving us this short URL link, you don't have to change anything with us. You won't have to, once you submit your ad to us, we can't change it. So by giving us a short URL instead, you can go back and edit this anytime you want. So you can change where the clicks go anytime you want by giving us a short URL. So that's another option. And in fact, something I discovered today that's really cool, you can also give us a short URL for your banner. So by passing us a short URL for your banner, I'll even show you how that works. We'll go to Bitly here. I'm going to paste in the short URL to the banner, and it's giving me a URL here, so I'm going to copy that. I'll give it the short URL for the banner, and we'll just use the video URL as is. So just showing you some advanced options here, choices. These are simply choices. I'm going to hit submit and preview. So there's my banner that I uploaded. You can see it's going through the bit.ly URL. My link URL works, and if you mouse over, here's the dPassport video.
You're an internet entrepreneur who is getting bombarded.
Plays automatically. So everything works perfectly. If I click on the banner, it's going to take me to dpassport.com through the bit.ly URL. So that is the banner submission process.